In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook email address. By the end, you'll have your new email added to the Outlook desktop app and set as the default address people see when you send messages, all without losing access to your existing account. Start by opening Outlook from your desktop. Make sure you're using the desktop app rather than a web browser, so the menus we mention line up with what you see. If Outlook prompts you to sign in, go ahead and do that. Have your sign-in details ready, and keep in mind you might be asked to verify your identity if your account uses additional security. Approving that prompt ensures Outlook can connect to your mailbox properly. Next, look at the top left corner of Outlook and select File. This opens the account area where you manage connected mailboxes. From there, choose Account Information to view settings tied to your profiles and addresses. In this view, locate your accounts. This is where Outlook lists each mailbox you've added to the app. Select Add Account. Instead of trying to rename an existing mailbox, you're going to add the new address here, which is the reliable way to change what Outlook uses by default. Enter the new email address and your sign-in details. Then follow the prompts to connect and accept any terms. Outlook usually detects the correct server settings automatically, and you may see a permissions dialog from your email provider. Approve it so Outlook can sync your mail, calendar, and contacts. Once the new mailbox is added, you'll see it in the list of accounts. Right next to that address, choose Make Primary. This sets the new mailbox as your default in Outlook, which means it becomes the address shown in the From field when you compose emails going forward. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Your old account and all its messages will remain available in Outlook, so you can still send from it when needed by changing the From field on a message. If you don't see the Make Primary option right away, give Outlook a moment to finish syncing, or restart the app and check again. The wording can vary slightly between versions, but you're looking for the control that sets your default account. If your computer is managed by an organization, an admin may need to approve adding or switching your primary account. That's it. You opened Outlook, signed in, navigated to File and Account Information, added the new address, and set it as primary so it's the one people see when you email them.